So viel macht man okay.
I hear something saying.
I just broke our handle.
Ryan.
Honey, it just popped off.
Show the camera. Well, I actually want to see it.
Oh no, Betsy's breaking apart right there. See how loose it is. I think it'll still work. Let me try. Oh no. Okay, we'll get you one later. They chase lions. Get out of here. Have you seen one of those dogs chase a lion? Set up like grams. Oh, it's a cute little troll you got there, kid. So Kyle and I just drove to Dunedin. We're here trying to find a bunch of camping gear because we're trying to get set up for that camping lifestyle. Right, honey? So far we got a tent, 2 chairs, a tarp, and now we're gonna try and find a mattress. And then we're gonna go to this spot just a little bit north of Dunedin. Should be golden.
Glowy mountain.
Whoa, little more Lockies! Look at the Lockies! Look at them! Oh, they're so cute! Hi! They're so cute.
Are they black?
Yeah, black Lockies. We just got to our campsite, just around when the sun's going down. See if you can see. Oh, it looks really pretty. We don't have enough time to set up our tent, but we're gonna go explore because there's the ocean over there, and there's the ocean. Okay, that's a big tree. Wow, dude, look at this. You all hooded out, look at you. Come on, Kyle. Wow, look at this crazy sunset. I've got the drone in the air right now. BETSY over here. We gotta set up camp somewhere near. That's not working. Alright, we're camping out. We've got our tent all set up. Can you get some better lighting, honey? Can you get, there you go, that's good. Gonna get up at 7 for our sunrise, hopefully. We're gonna wrestle now. So aggressive, Gran. What did the chair ever do to you? That was my chair, by the way, bro. Our wet wipes are wet. Oh no, the tragedy. No longer usable. I heard someone puked in there. Gonna go shit on some puke? What? In the dunny? Someone puke in there? Yeah. When did you hear that? I heard the old folks to our right talking about it. Go have a good shit. You have to do 2 fingers. Okay, so do that. Do that and hold it. Yeah, that you're doing it. Bring it over to you.
No, it's scary.
You can do it. They landed it.
Jerry wants your bread so bad. Hi. You're hiding from me.
Dude, why do you think that they just continue to chew? They chew non-stop. Bro. Like swallow or something, man. Do you think they're just like grinding their teeth? What do you think they're doing? Oh yay, a bunch of tourists. Kyla, go jump on it. Let me get a photo of you. Don't you want a photo on it? Come on. The Moeraki rocks. What do you think? Are you impressed? Are you impressed by the rock or are you impressed by all the people? 60 million years? 15 million? 15 million years! Yogi's on rocks in New Zealand. Oh, gotta get that photo. Gotta get that angle. Yeah, girl. Let's get on it. I want to get your photo. I want to get your photo. Yes! Spread them. Spread the legs. Oh my gosh, look at over there. We gotta put on Instagram for the Instagram bitches. So tell me, how do you like the Moeraki boulders if people weren't here?
I think it would be like really cool if people were here. It'd be like eerie and like weird.
Yeah, honestly, they are to me just like a bunch of rocks.
But no, it's not necessarily like the form of them. If you look inside of them, they're really cool.
Yeah. Look at all the people. They're like, hey, come give $2 and you can see boulders in the sand.